Okay, we're out at first light again. Me, Hank, and we brought a little good luck charm back there. Wave hi, Adriana. Okay, we're at a big school of mullet. We're hoping to pull some reds out of here. Damn, look at this school, Dad. It's getting huge. I should probably back up. Yeah, I don't want to scare them before they even form. Is that a hit? Damn. Oh, we got birds diving. Oh, my lure, let it go. On.
Thank you. Small snook.
Oh, there we go. Live action. What do we got here? A nice trout or a snook? We got a little snooky. Little snook eye. Try to keep him away from the school of mullet.
Well, I hope we see this many snook next month. Nice. This guy gonna want to head in the shore.
Uh-oh, behind the back, reach around. Well, that's a nice red right there. Oh, there's more right here.
Get him out here. Come on, out here, buddy. him up through the hole.
Oh, nice. Pulled him up through the old 5 hole. Nice. Oh, nice fish. He's going to make it, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
26.
That's a new one. Bring him up through the hole.
What a tricky way to land a fish.
Yeah, so did I.
Oh, nice, man. Switch it over to the spoon. Look how shallow that ball is.
Wow. Good thing I spent all those years ice fishing. What a mess.
Big fish. I think he's big. He looked big. Oh, he's gone now. Shit. Oh, same spot as yesterday. Look at the wake he made. He was a big fish. Damn. Oh. Holy cow, look at that wake he made. That was a big hit. That was a big, big hit. Big hit. I don't want to get too close. Come on, one more chance. Give me one more chance at you, buddy. One more chance. There we go. It's not the same fish. The first one. Damn. Whoa. Woo-hoo. Gonna take a page out of Hagster's book and throw a spoon at him. Yeah, I don't know. It might be a snag. Might be a mullet snagged. I don't know yet. See what he is. What are you? Yeah, it's a snag mullet. Then he's gonna go into mangroves on top of it. Ugh, excellent. Oh, he's coming back out. And I am locked up. There. Oh, lost my spoon. Yeah, it was a snagged mullet.